Welcome to Build Your Online Blog using Laravel Framework in 2 hours, the ultimate guide to creating your own powerful and stylish blog using the Laravel Framework. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting out, this tutorial is designed to take you step by step through the process, making it easy for anyone to build a professional online presence. In this comprehensive video tutorial, we'll cover everything you need to know starting from the basics. From setting up your development environment to understanding the Laravel architecture, we've got you covered. No more overwhelming technical jargon, just clear, concise explanations to get you started on the right foot. But we won't stop there. We'll dive into hands-on coding sessions, where you'll learn to implement key features like user authentication, dynamic content creation, and more. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a fully functional blog that not only looks great, but also leverages the power of Laravel to make your life as a developer easier. Imagine having your own online space to share your thoughts, showcase your work, or connect with like-minded individuals. With Laravel, it's not just a dream. It's a reality you can achieve in just 2 hours. And here's the best part. Your blog will be responsive, ensuring a seamless experience across all devices. Whether your audience is on a desktop, tablet, or smartphone, your content will look stunning and be easily accessible. So, are you ready to embark on this exciting journey of building your own online blog using Laravel? Let's dive in together and turn your coding aspirations into a reality. Subscribe, follow along, and let's get started on creating something amazing in just 2 hours. Don't forget to subscribe, follow us on social media. Let the coding adventure begin. See you in the next video.